Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to share a link to your Indeed resume. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up Indeed guys, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is the main page of Indeed, where you can get started searching for a job. So guys, now to be able to share our link, we need to first sign in to your account, and we can do that by clicking the sign in button right here that will appear in the upper right corner. And in the sign in button, you want to go ahead and either enter in your info to sign in or create a new account if you do not have one already. So after doing that, now you'll be back right here with the home page, and we can go ahead and open up our profile by clicking the profile icon right here in the upper right corner. Click on that, and this is going to open up this new menu of options where you have options like profile or settings and so on. You want to go ahead and click on profile. Click on profile guys, and this is now going to open up this new profile tab where you can manage all of your profile settings, as you can see. So here is our Indeed resume guys. So you need to have an Indeed resume so that you will be able to share the link to your employer. So now after you did that, go ahead and open up the Indeed resume right here. And as you can see guys, this will now open up this new resume where you will be able to see how it looks. So as you can see, now this will have at the top of the page an option that says searchable, and you want to go ahead and select this option right here that says these three dots, and you want to go ahead and select to share a link to your Indeed resume. So you want to go ahead and select that guys, click on that, and after that you will be able to click that link and get the link right here, and after that you'll be able to share that link with whoever you want. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.